In this video, we are going to see that if you want to adjust the slides sizes to a standard or a landscape format, depending on your needs, here's how you can easily do it. And guys, from now on, we will divide our training into different sections, this mini chunks, so that you can easily grasp whatever topic you are learning and you can search for it later on in this course as well. So let's go to design. Let's continue with our design. And let's say that this is a landscape format, but I want it to be a standard format so that I can easily adjust it on the print pages. So let's switch it to a standard size. All you have to do is just click on design, click on the slide sizes and switch it to standard. And you can ensure fit and you can choose the other fit as well. Let's switch it up to widescreen and let's switch it again to maximize. And that's how you do it. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.